Okay, now let's take a look at problem number 3. What minimum initial amount of money invested to earn 4% compounded monthly will show a monthly payout of $500 for 3.5 years if the first payment comes 2 years and 10 months from now? Okay, so for the solution, again, we're going to do it in 2 parts. The first thing you have to work out is the first part here. What minimum amount of money do you need invested at 4% compounded monthly that will support a monthly payout of $500 for 3.5 years? We work out that amount, which is the first payment's going to occur in the future. So we're working it out as that is the present value at that point in time, at that future point in time. And then we're going to bring that value back to the current time. All right, so we're looking at the amount of money that's needed. So to invest at 4%, so interest per year is 4, compounded monthly, so that means our compoundings per year is 12. We'll support a monthly payout. So monthly payout means payments per year, so P/Y is also 12, so these two here. A monthly payout of $500, so our payment is going to be $500 because every month, for 3.5 years. So 3.5 years with monthly payouts. So 3.5 times 12, 42. So for 42 payments, and we already had the 500, and the future value is going to be 0, and we need to calculate what is the present value at that point in time. So again, this portion here, that's what we've done for the last few chapters. But now the difference here is if the first payment occurs 2 years and 10 months from now. So again, you might be inclined to say, okay, 2 years, that's 24 months, plus 10, that's 34 months. But remember, the payment occurs at the end of a period. So if the payment occurs in 2 years and 10 months, at the beginning of that monthly period, that is when that period begins. So if that would mean the period begins at the beginning of the 10 months, which is the same as the end of the 9 months. So that is the part you got to wrap your head around for this chapter. So now we know that in the future, the present value is this. Everything stays the same, except now there's no payments. The future value is what we calculated here, and the number of periods is 2 years, so 24 months, and 9 months, so 24 plus 9, 33. So this is the value today that we would need, and this is the value in 2 years and 9 months, because that 9-month is the beginning of the period and the payment occurs at the end of that month.